In your previous class, you learned about the pronouns. Here, there are some questions and fill in the blanks. You can try to fill it. Exercise time, page number 55. Fill in the blanks with the correct personal pronouns. See, in bracket, personal pronouns are given. They saw Amit and Dash at the mall last night after class. They saw Amit and me. Okay, we cannot use I because it is in the object part of the sentence. So it's an objective pronoun. He is going to the party with you and me. Answer is me, not I. Once again, same thing. It is in the objective part of the sentence, if you don't mind. Okay. You and she ought to return the books to the library because they are already overdue. Okay. We cannot use her here, so we have to use she. Professor Molina left a message for you and me. He needs to see us. So we have to use me, not I. Remember, Ron invited Mary and me to have dinner with him. Emily, sixth one. Emily is a good basketball player. I watch Betty and her carefully during games. We have to use her, not she. Remember, Tom and I both want to marry Anne. Tom and I, not me. Okay. Eighth one. She has to choose between him and me. Okay. Not I and me, him and me. We have to use him in the blank. Nick ate the dinner with Robertson and us. Okay. We cannot use we at the end of the sentence. Okay. It is in the object place, so we have to use us. The 10th one. The new student has been assigned to work on the group research project with you and me. It's easy. Very clearly we have to use me. Okay. Next. Part B. Replace the colored words with a pronoun and rewrite the sentence. See, replace the colored words. See, Mansi is colored and Mansi is with a pronoun and rewrite the sentence. See, Mansi said that Mansi had to go to meet Mansi's friend soon. See, here nouns are used repeatedly, so to avoid this we have to use pronouns. Mansi said that she had to go to meet her friend soon. So you have to write in a sentence, not in this way. Complete sentence you have to write. Mansi said that she had to go to meet her. So we have to use her in the place of Mansi's, her friend soon. Next page. The boy told his friend to get an ice cream for the boy. See, the boy told his friend to get an ice cream for him. So, we have to use him. Third one, Firoz's mother asked, we can use him. Firoz's mother asked him to clean the bookshelves. Fourth one, Arun and I stopped when we felt tired. Arun and I, together we can use we. Mr. Rehan met Monica and Tina. Again, Mr. Rehan is there, so we can use he. Shook hands with Monica and Tina. For both, for Monica and Tina, we can use them here. Mr. Rehan met Monica and Tina. He shook hands with them. Okay. Sixth one, Lata took the watch out of her pocket. Once again, Lata, again it's repeated, so we can use her pocket. We cannot use hers. See, Lata's pocket, we cannot use hers, it is her. Lata looked at the watch means here Lata, in the place of Lata we can use she. Looked at the watch means it, because the watch, the word came in the sentence before. Sarita is a nice girl. Again Sarita came, so we can use in the place of Sarita she. Helps me with my studies. See, Nikunj promised that he would look after his grandparents. See, in the place of noun we can use pronoun as he and his. So, see, fill in the blanks with reflexive or emphatic pronouns. You know that reflexive and emphatic pronouns are little bit similar. So, I myself showed you the way. So, I myself, it is reflexive pronoun. She herself spoke to me, same thing. The little boy dressed himself. Okay. Garleen herself chose the shirt. A reflexive pronoun. They helped themselves to some biscuits. We ourselves spoke to the principal ourselves. My grandfather himself spoke to me. Do you ever talk to yourself? See, you, yourself. Okay. She herself saw the mouse take away the cheese. Ankita bought herself a new pair of shoes. Herself. Hans and Gaurav lost themselves in the forest. We saw the president himself at the conference. So, himself, only you yourself can explain why this happened. See, emphatic pronoun. He went to the woods by himself. Reflexive again. I myself saw the match in England. Okay. D. Fill in the relative pronoun from the help box, then underline the nouns it refers to. See, who, that, which, whose, and whom. These are relative pronouns are given. The girl dash I trusted was a cheat. The girl whom I trusted was a cheat. We cannot use who, we cannot use that, we cannot use which or whose. Okay. The girl whom I trusted, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಯಾರನ್ನು ನಂಬಿದ್ನೋ ಅವಳು ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I girl whom I trusted was a cheat. Okay. That man who is wearing a red coat is my brother. See, very easy. The man. So, who? See, a girl. Man who is wearing a red coat is my brother. These birds that you see on the roof are my pet pigeons. So, we have to use that. Manas is the man who eats all day. Who eats all day. See, who we have to use in the place of in the blank. The boy who stood near the door disappeared. Okay. These are relative pronouns. These are the words are related. See, whom is related to girl, who is related to man, that is related to birds, who is related to Manas, who is related to boy. Again, they are the men whose clothes got stolen. See, whose. So, the word is the relative pronoun is related to men. So I want to meet the actress whom everyone is talking about. Whom? The word related to actress. So these are called actress. These are called relative pronouns. The boy whose car was stolen was very sad. So the word whose related to the boy. So it's a relative. These are relative pronouns. The next part, E. Choose the correct relative pronouns and fill in the blanks. It's almost the same. This is the house that is for sale. This is the house that for sale. So we cannot use whose. Here options are given. Two relative pronouns are given. So that should be used. I saw the boy who saved the lady from drowning. The girl who is standing there is my cousin. Okay? The table that you saw is made of teak. So we cannot use whom because that it's an object. So do you know the boy? So the word who related to boy. So we have to use who won the gold medal. Do you know the boy who won the gold medal? So the sentence starts with it's a question. So starts with do. Did you help the man who could not walk properly? Okay, we have to use who. Do you know who lays big eggs? Do you know who lays big eggs? Not whose. We have to use who. Is this the hen which you bought yesterday? Which, because relative pronoun refers to the hen. See, in the D, fill in the relative pronoun from the help box. Then underline the nouns it refers to. We forgot to underline. Whom refers to refers to the girl. So whom refers to this word girl. These are relative pronouns. Who, this relative pronoun refers to man. So you have to underline this word girl, man here. That means birds. Who in the sense manas. Who here boy. Whose, men. Whom you have to underline actress. Whose here boy. So you have to underline the nouns. So these nouns should be underlined. Next, fill in the blanks with the suitable possessive pronouns. See, possessive in the sense ownership. The house belongs to them. The house is theirs. Means the house a house belongs to them. The sentence says about the ownership. The house is theirs. Amane avardu anta. You must take the responsibility. Responsibility is yours. So possessive pronouns. These books belong to me. These books are mine. Okay? These books are mine. See? Belong to me. Mine. Them. Theirs. You. Yours. So, it's in the place of subject. They are in the place of object. So, does the piano belong to her? Is the piano hers? So, it's a question. These cups belong to us. These cups are ours. These shoes belong to him. These shoes are his. That cow has 4 calves. The cows are its. Cows andre karugolu. Cows are its. Choose the correct possessive pronouns from the brackets to fill in the blanks. Those red marbles are yours, not its. Those red marbles are yours. Possessive pronoun. This is my book, but that one is yours, not its. Because this book is mine, but that one is yours. This factory belongs to them, it is theirs, not mine. So understand the sentence, then use these possessive pronouns. The brown cat with white stripes is his. The red car that went by is ours, not its. That brown coat is his, not its. The lioness, the feminine gender, the lioness is sleeping. Those cups are its. Cups andre adar marigalu. Those cups are its, not okay. We have to use hers because lioness is a feminine gender, so we have to use hers, not its. We have to use hers in this place. Next, choose and write the correct demonstrative pronoun in each of these sentences. Demonstrative pronouns, see, those are rotten apples. So, pointing at particular apples, so those, not this. Okay, demonstrative pronouns, those are rotten apples. Rotten andre halagiruvanta apple. These have a lovely smell. This is an unbelievable story. So not these, because an unbelievable story, it is a single story. That sounds like an aeroplane. That, not those. Okay, that sound, not those sounds. These oranges are bigger than those. So in plural, these oranges are bigger than those, not that. These mangoes taste bad, but this tastes good. Okay, these designs are good, but those are bad, not this. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative pronouns. Interrogation in the sense questions. Who gave you the news? Fill in the blanks with a suitable interrogation. See, Das gave you the news. Who gave you the news? Das will bring the books from the library. Who will bring the books from the library? Das do you want? What do you want? Das did you tell that secret? Whom did you tell that secret? Das came first in the race. Who came first in the race? Okay. Das was invented first, the train or the aeroplane? What was invented first, the train or the aeroplane? We have found a bunch of keys. Where is it? Okay, where is it? With whom will you play? Okay, these are interrogative pronouns we used. Okay, thank you. We learned the exercise part of the pronouns. We will meet in the next class.